Wherever you are in the world, whether you're surrounded by snow or sand or just earth, write the word vegan right now. Make your mark. Leave your mark. Ready, set, go. Hello everyone. Welcome to class, and thank you to everyone who's decided to be vegan today. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. I am so proud of you. I know it wasn't easy to get here. I know you had to go through all the phases of denial. At first you thought, well, how badly could the animals be treated? And what difference can I make as just one person? And then slowly but surely you stuck around and you realized, wait a second, I can make a difference. And in fact, the only way that the world has ever changed was through a small group of people who were determined to change the future. So I'm really proud of you guys who decided to become vegan starting today. So does this mean that you have to go home and throw everything out that's in your fridge? No, it doesn't. It simply means that going forward today, you will stop buying anything that involves cruelty. So if you're going to buy some shoes, you're going to look for the non-leather shoes, the cruelty-free brand. If you're going to buy milk in the store, you're going to buy dairy-free. Nothing that came from the dairy industry where they hurt the animals so much by stealing the baby boys, by ripping them away from their mothers, slitting their throats, turning them into coats and bags and shoes and veal sandwiches. You don't want to do that anymore. I know you don't. And that's why you're vegan. That's why you decide to be vegan. Check out the sunrise behind me. Isn't it beautiful? I did a video just the other day and it really looks like fire in the trees when you go close. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about that today. I'm here to talk about you and the fire in your belly. The fire in your heart that wants to start to help make this world a better place. So thank you for being here on this channel. Thank you for choosing no eggs today. Thank you for looking at all the products in your fridge and going through them slowly and one by one and saying goodbye to all of the cruelty. If you have meat there, I'm not saying you should throw it out necessarily. Okay, you can if you want to, or you can feed it to a pet, or you can just put it outside for the animals to eat. But what I am saying is that going forward, you're not going to buy any more meat. If you are in a restaurant, you will buy the vegan options. You will choose the vegan options. When you go to the store, you're going to load up on healthy vegan foods. You're going to buy bags full of lentils, you know, the hard ones, and you're going to start to learn how to cook, how to soak them, how to cook them. Lentils, chickpeas, you're going to buy rice, you're going to load up on potatoes because they're not expensive and they're full of vitamins. You're going to change. You're going to make this world a better place, and you're going to feel so good about it. This is your Christmas present to yourself. This is your New Year's present to yourself. This is your birthday present to yourself. And of course, it is a consistent, lifelong gift to the innocent animals. No matter how much you try to think to yourself, well, I wasn't abusing animals. The truth is that you were. Every time you were giving money to these industries. But now you're going to change. And now it's going to be better for everyone. And now you can join me on this channel and be a teaching assistant. All you need to do is memorize a bunch of facts. And if you don't know the facts, you can find them often in my comment section, where I talk about the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics and how it clearly states that you can be vegan as a child, as a teenager, as an adult, as a parent, as a grandparent, as a mother, as a lactating mother, a pregnant mother. Everyone can be vegan. There are vegans in the Olympics, so you don't need to worry about your health. Just eat a variety of foods. If you're thinking to yourself, oh my God, I'm gonna die from lack of protein because everyone lied to you and said that, just look them in the eye and say, that doesn't happen. If you're getting enough calories, you're getting enough protein. You're fine. I worked as a nurse for 25 years and we never had anyone who was lacking in protein. Do you need to take a B12 every day? Well, you can take it once a week if you take a big enough dose, but even people who eat animals are often lacking in B12. We used to have to give B12 to many patients who ate animals all the time. And you're gonna feel so good knowing that you're not hurting the animals anymore. Don't you wanna feel good? Of course you do. And that's why you've decided to make this your Vegan Declaration Day. And I'm so proud of you. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, if this is the first time you're meeting me, it's okay if you don't become vegan this second. You need to learn a lot. You need to get the message in your head. You need to get the message in your heart. You need to get 100 clicks to become vegan. It takes 100 clicks. You gotta get the message in there. You gotta understand the facts. You gotta feel for the animals. I know you don't want to put baby boy chicks in blenders. That's what they do in the egg industry. It's absolutely horrific. And I know that most of you who ended up here at the stage have seen those videos and have cried like I did when you found out what you were part of in the past. It's pretty heartbreaking to know what we did, but now we're going to change. So thanks a lot for being here. If you haven't yet subscribed, there's the button down there. Do you see it? Subscribe and press the notification bell so you can be here during the premieres and you can write comments and you can educate others. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, you don't have to throw out your car if it has leather seats. If you have boots that are leather, you know, you don't have to throw them out. Just make sure that going forward, you don't buy any more products that come from animal abuse. Okay? Thanks a lot for being here, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'm so happy that you've joined us. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us how.